We're gonna make some candy bar poke cake today. Start with your cake mix. Just make as directed.
Just give it a little dumpy in there.
Yeah, make it. Oh, there we go. It's all empty. And we got 1 1/4 cups of water. Half a cup vegetable oil.
Oh.
And then you want to put 3 eggs in there.
Or what they call here in our house, the booty nuggets.
And we call them also country eggs.
Country eggs, booty hole nuggets, whatever we want.
Because they came out of some country chickens. Right from your sister, right?
My sister's house.
Alrighty. So then you just want to mix that all up. Just kind of beat it in there.
It's looking nice and milky.
Alright, so it looks about ready to go in our cake pan. We got a 13x9 cake pan there. You just pour it straight in that bad boy.
Holy moly, it looks like some good milky goodness.
Oh, we're just getting started. So now that we got it all poured in there, we're going to put it in the oven at 350
For about...
for about 25 minutes. Straight in there. Ooh,
Oh,
got a cut on there.
oops.
Let's take a look.
Oh my gosh. It's perfectly
Perfect
chocolate.
cake.
Perfectly amazing. Perfectly beautiful. Cover.
Just perfect in every way. All right. So we got the cake. Now the fun begins. You want to take a wooden spoon, do a little poke cake. You want some nice big holes for the milk to go into. Just all over.
So the bigger the hole, the easier the milk to go into?
Exactly. So get a wooden spoon or rod that is, really gonna make a good hole in there for your sweetened condensed milk. Thicky icky.
In my profession, we call that sticky milk.
What profession is that?
Cooking.
Oh yeah. Mine too. Whoa. I'm missing the holes here. It's like a ribbon.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a milk ribbon. Do you think I need to put holes anywhere else?
No, I think it's great.
And just kind of rub it on in there. This is gonna make your cake so moist and yummy.
Mm-hmm. Just how Kim likes it.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna take the chocolate syrup
Mm.
and pour it into the holes as well. Don't have to do as much, just a little, giving a little chocolate touch to each hole. So we got more to come. All right, so we're gonna let this cool off and come back.
All right, now we're gonna make our topping.
Yep, gotta crush up some Butterfingers.
Ooh, bangalangas.
Love the fingers. So we're just gonna
Wow.
crush these up in a little.
All right, so you got those banged out.
Got them pretty banged out, and then we just gotta wait for the cake to finish. And we're gonna put it over there.
Mm. Ooh, yum.
All right, so we're gonna take our crushed up Butterfinger, just kind of sprinkle it over. I only want to use about half of it.
Mm-hmm. Are you meaning to make it patchy?
No, I was gonna spread it out
okay.
after. I just can't perfectly
Got it.
spread it out like some people.
Yep.
I'm a little bit of a klutz in the kitchen.
It's okay. No big deal. That
But I make up for it with determination and sheer will.
Yeah, it looks really good.
So yeah. So you just kind of dust it on there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's the first layer. Then we're gonna take some homemade whipped topping
Oh,
and just put it over the top there.
it's really creamy and nice.
Super creamy.
I really like that. Mm. And you're just spreading it out evenly now?
Mm-hmm. Just spreading it out over it. This is gonna be a nice sweet cake.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we got our layer of whipped topping, and then we're gonna put our second dusting. Let me just second dusting over the top. Calling this Butterfinger cake.
Wow. All right, let's see it.
All right, let's take a little bite ski. I don't know why I will. Oh, that's good.